Taseer Talai Kasturi Sperm Grow Course. Assalamualaikum viewers, hope you are doing well. Today I will explain about the course which name is Taseer Talai Kasturi Sperm Grow Course, offered by Taseer Dawakhana Private Limited. It is a special course prepared for the disease male infertility. In today's program, I will brief you what is male infertility, why it happens, its symptoms, reason of the disease, indication, male infertility types, and how to cure this disease. What is infertility? Infertility is defined as not being able to get pregnant despite having frequent unprotected sex for at least a year. If getting pregnant has been a challenge for you and your partner, you are not alone. 10% to 15% of couples in the world are infertile, and there are several hormones which affect on a person for producing a child, like testosterone, luteinizing hormone, LH, FSH hormones. In general, the normal testosterone range in male is about 270 to 1070 nanogram per deciliter, with an average level of 679 nanogram per deciliter. A normal male testosterone level peaks at about age 20 and then it slowly declines. Testosterone levels above or below the normal range are considered by many to be out of balance. LH is a hormone produced by gonadotropic cell in the anterior pituitary gland. In males, where LH hormone had also been called interstitial cell stimulating hormones, it stimulates Leydig cell production of testosterone. For male, the normal range is 1.24 to 7.8 international units per liter. LH hormone level are below the normal range. It may indicate a pituitary gland problem. Their pituitary gland may not be making enough LH hormone, which may lead to low testosterone. FSH is a gonadotropin, synthesized and secreted by the gonadotropic cell of the anterior pituitary gland, and regulates the development, growth, pubertal maturation and reproductive process of the body. Normal FSH hormone level in adult male are typically between 1.5 to 12.4 international units per milliliter. A high FSH hormone level may mean the testicles are not functioning correctly, while low FSH hormone level in male may indicate problem with the pituitary gland in the brain. If you have been trying to conceive for more than a year, there is a chance that something may be interfering with your efforts to have a child. Infertility may be due to a single cause in either you or your partner, or a combination of factors that may prevent a pregnancy from occurring or continuing. There are two types of infertility: primary infertility, secondary infertility. Primary infertility is the ability to conceive a child after regular intercourse for at least 1 year, while secondary infertility occurs in couples who have previously been pregnant at least once but are unable to achieve another pregnancy. As per medical research, in 50 to 60% infertile cases may have infertility problem. A number of causes exist for male infertility that may result in impaired sperm count or mobility, or impaired ability to fertilize the egg. The most common causes of male infertility includes abnormal sperm production or function, impaired delivery of sperm condition related to a man's general health, and overexposure to certain environmental elements. Viewers, semen produced in testicles. Testicles are very important in sperm. In sperm production, if testicles are not working well, then it makes a problem. There are two types of testicle disease. First one is a hydrocele. A hydrocele is a type of swelling in the scrotum that occurs when fluid collects in the thin sheet surrounding a testicle. Hydroceles are common in newborns and usually disappear without treatment by age 1. Older boys and adult men can develop a hydrocele due to inflammation or injury within the scrotum. And the second is varicocele. A varicocele is an enlargement of the veins within the loose bag of skin that holds your testicle. A varicocele is similar to a varicose vein you might see in your leg. Varicocele are a common cause of low sperm production and decreased sperm quality, which can cause infertility. There are three types of sperm disease named azoospermia, oligospermia and necrospermia. Now I will tell you about what is azoospermia. Azoospermia is a medical condition of a man whose semen contains no sperm. It is associated with infertility, but many forms are unable to medical treatment. Presence of bacteria. This condition does not have any symptoms. Second type is oligospermia. This is a male fertility issue characterized by a low sperm count. Other aspects of the sexual health of men with this condition are typical. This includes the ability to get and maintain an erection as well as produce ejaculation at orgasm. Sperm count in your ejaculate can vary throughout your life. As I have explained, normal sperm count is between 200 to 600 million. So if a person has less than 120 million sperm count, then he has oligospermia. This disease is because of infection in vein, physically disturbance, anxiety and abnormal hormones level. Now I will tell you about the third infertility disease, that is necrospermia. Necrospermia is a condition in which there is a low percentage of live and very much percentage in immotile spermatozoa in semen. It can be diagnosed via semen analysis with motility staining performed to determine whether the sperm are dead or live and immotile. Because of this, men are unable to make a woman pregnant. There are some conditions required for pregnancy. 50 to 60% of active motile. Good health is essential for both men and women. Male semen has normal sperm count. After every 72 hours, men should produce 1.5 to 5 milliliter semen. If a person is not meeting this given criteria, then he is not able to produce a child or make a woman pregnant. When a normal person ejaculates, then he releases 200 to 600 millions of sperm. If he has 50 million or less than 50 million active sperm, then he is not able to produce a child. In mathematical expression, 200 by 75% is equal to 150 million active sperm. 200 by 70% is equal to 140 million active sperm. 200 by 60% is equal to 120 million active sperm. Viewers, a man produce 50,000 sperms in a minute, 72 millions in a day. These sperm get mature in 84 days. Infertility may be occurs because of different sperm disease. Taseer Dawakhana has been established since 1946 and you can recover from all these diseases by using Taseer Talai Kasturi Sperm Grow Course. Taseer Dawakhana, which is made with precious herbals and free from any side effects. Doctor and scientists of our institute Taseer Dawakhana work under the supervision of Dr. and Hakim Tariq Mahmood Taseer, qualified doctors, lady doctors, pharmacists and Hakim with prolonged research. Taseer Talai Kasturi Sperm Grow Course is a chemical-free natural supplement with no side effects. It is prepared from pure herb and 100% effective. Taseer Talai Kasturi Sperm Grow Course is prepared under the medical principles and proper scientific method with up-to-date machinery in Taseer Private Limited. Taseer Talai Kasturi Sperm Grow Course, azospermia, oligospermia, necrospermia, varicocele, hydrocele, pus cell infection, hormone level, maintain pH level of a person, increase the volume of the semen, thickness in semen, sperm morphology, every type of infection and start producing sperms where person will be relieved from all infertility disease. Increase HGH hormone level, FSH, LH and normalize the sperm count of infertile so they become fertile. Taseer Talai Kasturi Sperm Grow Course is a special and expensive course. Consists of 12 precious herbal ingredients, so it provides some extra benefit. Taseer Talai Kasturi Sperm Grow Course unique formulation contains safe natural ingredients which are known to increase sexual desire, sexual stamina and self-confidence by increasing peripheral blood flow. Because the ingredients in Taseer Talai Kasturi Sperm Grow Course highest quality and verified are purity. Their potency is much more effective, stable, predictable and efficient. As it is multi-purpose course, so it also boosts the sexual power of the person and improve physical health. Quality is to achieve the gain of centimeter in penis length, especially the grit to help get your confidence and sexual satisfying experience, which is especially prepared for those who has erectile dysfunction, ejaculation, duration problem, stiffness, length and width problem with penis. It is very safe and easy to use and made with 100% pure herbal extract. For better cure, avoid sexual relation with partner during course and medication. Avoid eating potato, beans, beef, all spicy and cold drinks. Use pumpkin, carrot, mutton, milk, yogurt, fresh fruit, honey, dates and fish. Don't put your laptop on your lap. It also affects quit smoking. Tobacco has multiple negative effects on fertility, not to mention your general health and the health of our fetus. If you smoke and are considering pregnancy, quit now. Avoid alcohol. Heavy alcohol use may lead to decreased fertility, and any alcohol use can affect the health of our developing sperm. If you are planning to become father, avoid alcohol and don't drink alcohol. Reduce stress. Some studies have shown that couples experiencing psychological stress had poor result with infertility treatment. If you can find a way to reduce stress in your life, eliminate your infertility with Taseer Talai Kasturi Sperm Grow course and spend happy life with your complete family. So viewers, if you or your known person has infertility problem, then come to Taseer Dawakhana and use Taseer Talai Kasturi Sperm Grow course, which will cure all infertility diseases and problems. I hope this video was informative and helpful for you. If you like this video, kindly subscribe our YouTube channel and click the bell icon. I will see you again in my next video, in which we will discuss new disease topic and its treatment. So viewers, it's time to say goodbye. Have a nice day. Take care. Allah Hafiz.